gacantaada ayay ku xidhan tahay qaabka aad u noolaanaysid iyo Allah oo markaasi ka saacida mowduuceena maanta.
saaxiibayaal waxaan idinku bishaaraynaynaa inaanu bartan idin soo golin doono barnaamijyo taxane ah oo toddobaadkiiba 2 barnaamij ama 2 mowduuc oo macquul ah idin soo gelin doono. fadlan haddii aad channelkeena hore aadan ugu jirin fadlan subscribe noo saar kuna soo biir kana mid noqo asxaabta ku xidhan channelka hoyga bulshada. waan mahadsantihiin asxaabta qaaliga ah.
Sunlight on my skin as I ran. I began to get back in touch with nature, get back in touch with myself. The smell of the fennel and the smell of the sage, it woke something. That's what brings me happiness and joy and peace and health and tranquility. Be kind to everyone you meet because they are fighting a fierce battle. To get up every morning and know that I'm going to make a difference in people's lives, to know that I'm going to nourish people and give them energy to go out and face their challenges. That gives me great pleasure. That gives me joy. On the wall of every Sun Life Organics, you're going to see the words love, heal, and inspire. We are there to love them and heal them and inspire them. Be kind to people, be kind to yourself, put good thoughts and good things into your body, and live an authentic life.